Okay, so I like to keep it simple. Basically, they get to the screen. All they need to know, all they need to see is, and this might need to be smaller, it looks a little weird. All that they need to see is, and this is huge too, never finishing my sentence here. All that they need to see is, okay, what is this project? A logo, something associated with it that gives it away, and then how do I get to the next page? Gonna go to the next page then, and then now they're on this next page, and this is where they're gonna be asked to create an avatar. So I figure if we want to be real consistent here with the actions, this is taking them to the next page. And then this is randomizing the avatar. And then in the middle is some information of sorts. And I swear after this video, I'll go make text for this, or content rather. And so we go from here, we go to here, we randomize it. Do I like it? Yeah. I go to the next one and then duplicate this. Now we're going to create a username. So let's see, this screen's going to look a little bit different. We're going to get the option to go back. We're going to get the option to go forward. We're going to create that placeholder. I don't know like what would be necessarily a good look for that. It's going to go here though. Like maybe, so what I like about this screenshot here is they have got this little piece overlapping, but that might look like really ridiculous, so we may end up changing that. But we can play around with it. We may as well see. Oh, it's gonna look so silly. It's gonna look really weird. Like this is your name right in this bubble. I don't know about that. Like, it's gonna be so strange. And it could be like really long. Okay, and then what I want to do is take this, copy this, paste this, move this over here too, so that you can see that there's a little off the edge. Like, and you want to try to get those even. I don't know. Why do I keep doing this? I swear. I am like switching these around. Okay, here we go. It's the pressure of having people watch that are not really watching. So, but at least getting stuff on the screen helps. And then I'm gonna put this here and then move this over here. Also, like I love being able to see this space. Maybe it's like we make like this a little plaque or something. I don't know. We'll work with it. We'll figure it out. I will figure it out here. And then this is what, so here's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about like being able to really easily work on design here. So I can select across boards and see what things are going to look like and what interactions are going to look like. And you know, like I like to keep things consistent. Like if we're going to have the text all in one place here, like should be the same everywhere. All right, so I've got that. Now let's see. The next one's a little bit more intricate. So for this next one, what I need to do is create, there's gonna be 5 buttons on this, and then the next and back button. So I'm gonna duplicate this. And then there's a lot more going on in this one. Rid of that for now. And then I need to create lots more buttons. So what we need to do is think about this. And this is another great piece of Adobe XD. You can create a repeat grid, which lets you do multiple things at once. Like I don't have to duplicate them. And then I would there's going to be 3. So, well, actually, okay, I think I can work with this. And then if I go here and then ungroup, get rid of one of them. I kind of want them all to be the same size. See, this is where it's like a little bit weird. Thanks, it's responsive, which is great. Aye. And I wish I could like regroup them as a grid, but I can't. And so they're a little bit larger than I'd like them to be. But maybe we can work with this. Oh, it's gonna do that, isn't it? So let's just make all of these like 300. Maybe that will be too small though. So the width will be 300. It's actually not too bad. And then we may need more space between them because what we're going to need to do is put what they need to do. So like select. So what does this one say? Select difficulty and then time challenge. You know, if it works, just do it, right? So we'll do that here. So we'll say select difficulty. And then I use this font Harmonia Sans for my other one, so I'm going to use it for this one. And I'll do, I'm always like bold, semi-bold. I think I'll probably do bold and then put that up here. And then what's this next one going to be? Time challenge. It's not really actionable, time challenge, but just put that as a placeholder for now. So there's not too much space between all this. I'm going to move this down here and then move this. And then I've got the buttons, I've got that. And then there's going to be one more screen. And we'll adjust everything as we go. Like the spacing between these isn't great, so I'm going to go in. See this group. I shouldn't be like fiddling with all this right now because I'm just going to change it anyway. And these can be. Okay, so we'll do that and then we'll have another screen. Duplicate. Okay, so